In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload large files to Dropbox. We'll use the desktop app method, which is the most reliable way to move big files, and it works best for uploads up to 2 terabytes per file. This approach is great because it uploads in the background, supports very large items, and automatically resumes if your connection drops. Start by opening File Explorer on Windows or Finder on your Mac. Navigate to the large file you want to upload so it's easy to grab. Now, look for your Dropbox folder on your computer. You'll usually find it in the left sidebar of File Explorer or Finder, right alongside folders like Documents and Downloads. If you don't see it there, make sure the Dropbox desktop app is installed and you're signed in on this device. Once you've located both your file and your Dropbox folder, simply drag and drop the large file into the Dropbox folder. The upload begins immediately. Keep an eye on the icon overlays. Spinning blue arrows mean Dropbox is syncing and your upload is in progress, while a solid green check means the upload is complete and safely stored in your Dropbox. You can keep working while this happens. The app handles the transfer in the background. Large uploads can take time depending on your internet speed and the size of the file. For the best results, keep your computer awake, connected to power if it's a laptop, and avoid putting it to sleep while the transfer runs. If you need to step away, the desktop app will pick up where it left off when you're back online. Just make sure you have enough storage space in your Dropbox account to accommodate the file. If you want to upload an entire folder, open a second File Explorer or Finder window and navigate to the folder you want to send. Maybe it's in your documents or on your desktop. Drag that folder directly into the Dropbox folder as well. Dropbox will preserve the folder's structure and upload all the contents. Again, watch for the blue arrows to confirm syncing and the green check to confirm everything is finished. That's all there is to it. By using the Dropbox desktop app and the built-in Dropbox folder, you get a smooth, resilient upload process for very large files and folders with clear visual indicators so you always know what's happening. Thanks for watching.